Is your Toyota Tundra key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely cause. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in your 2022-2024 Tundra key fob yourself, saving time and money. The process is simple, requiring no special tools and takes just a few minutes. The Toyota Tundra key fob 2022 to 2024 is a wireless remote control device that uses radio frequency RF signals to communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer system, enabling functions like remote start, lock-unlock, and panic alarms. The 2022-2024 Toyota Tundra key fob uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery type is widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. A new CR2032 battery typically costs between $3 and $5. Ensure you purchase a genuine CR2032 for optimal performance and battery life. Alternatives like CR2025 may fit, but are less common and could cause fitment issues. The battery must be inserted with the positive side up to avoid damage. You'll only need a couple of simple tools for this battery replacement: a small flathead screwdriver, or even a coin, to gently pry open the key fob casing. Optionally, a plastic pry tool can be used to avoid scratching the plastic. No soldering or electronics expertise is required. The process is straightforward. Safety first. Avoid short-circuiting the battery contacts. First, locate the small notch or seam on the edge of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool to pry it open. Insert the flathead screwdriver, or even a coin if you don't have a screwdriver, into the notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force during this step, as it could damage the plastic casing of the key fob. For best results, consider using a plastic pry tool instead of a metal screwdriver. This can help minimize scratches on the key fob's casing. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity, positive side facing up. Make sure the battery is securely seated in its compartment. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until they snap back into place. Press firmly but gently to ensure a secure fit. Check that the casing is fully closed with no visible gaps around the edges. Now, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the buttons while standing near your Tundra. First, press the lock button and listen for the confirmation sound. Then press unlock and check that the doors respond. If your vehicle has remote start, press that button and verify the engine starts. Test each button to ensure everything works properly. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery's polarity and ensuring it's making good contact with the terminals. If issues continue, there may be a deeper problem, like a faulty transmitter, which requires professional diagnosis. In a real case study from 2024, a Tundra fleet operator faced intermittent lock failures from corroded battery contacts due to moisture. DIY inspection found rust, which was cleaned with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol before replacing the battery, avoiding a $300 repair bill. Key fob technology is moving towards digital keys and potentially battery-less designs. This evolution means more convenience with smartphone apps replacing physical fobs. For now, knowing how to replace your Tundra's key fob battery is a valuable skill that saves you money. Automotive experts estimate DIY key fob battery changes cut costs by 70 to 80% compared to dealership services, with nationwide averages at $60–90 saved per replacement. Enjoy the convenience and savings.